Hello, I'm Melissa Castellanos with Halo Creative Designs, and today we are going to paint a dog paw rail form. This is a wood cutout with a rail on the bottom that you can decorate with deco mesh and embellishments. So let's get started. We're going to apply some black chalk paint using a stencil brush. We're going to dry brush this on, so make sure that there's very little paint on your brush. As you see, I dab it on my mat next to me to remove the excess. And this prevents paint from puddling on your design. You get a nice smooth finish by doing this method. You're going to continue adding a layer of black chalk paint to all the areas that you want to cover black. After you've completed your first layer on the top, go around your edges and make sure they are covered in your black chalk paint as well. Now we're going to add the brown to the pads of this paw. We're using a number 4 flat brush and brown acrylic paint. And we're going to apply a thin layer over all the areas that you would like to cover brown. This next step is kind of a hindsight is 20/20 step. I should have painted the whole piece black to begin with and then painted the brown on top of the black. So now I have to go back and fill in the laser cut lines with black, and it's causing an extra step. So in case you missed that, paint your whole piece black first, including the laser cut lines, and then add your brown on top of the black. You're going to continue filling in the laser cut lines all around the edges of the brown, and it's okay if you get a little bit of the black on top of the brown, because in the next step we're going to touch all those parts up. Once you're finished filling in all the laser cut lines with the black, you can now go back with the brown and cover up all of the smudges you got on the top. And it's okay, the brown will cover the black.
What if each day could be amazing? What if you and I are the perfect equation to turn outcomes that are unfavored to a million reasons for celebrating? What if there was no loss, only lessons? What if every breath is just a blessing? And if miracles weren't the exception, could love be your first and only impression?
Next, we need to add some texture to the pads of the paw. So we're going to take a sponge and some more of the black chalk paint and dry. So I mean, you want a dry sponge, put it in your paint, dab it on your mat, and then dry sponge, up and down motion, tap, tap, tap onto the brown. If you get a little bit too much, put a paper towel on it, press down to remove the excess, and then continue in the up and down tapping motion to finish adding the texture to your paw. And there you have it, a super cute dog paw rail form that you can embellish with deco mesh and other fun goodies. Don't forget to click the logo on your screen to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to watch some more tutorials, click the box on your left. Have a great day.